Hello everybody, today I'll be doing a review for Zenfone 6 which is sent to me by Asus. Asus sent to me this phone last week and they asked me to use this phone and see all the applications they have, how user friendly it is, and to see how I record videos on this phone. So this video was created using the Zenfone 6. It had absolutely amazing applications. I really love to edit my photographs and do movie editing, everything on the phone, and I also got to transfer the entire movie via phone. So it was a wonderful phone for 15,000 bucks. I guess it's absolutely very user friendly and I give a complete thumbs up for this phone. Now I'm preparing Pongal cheese balls today. In order to prepare this cheese balls, we need to have the ingredients in place and we need to look into the procedure. So let's get into that, and I will be showing you how to prepare the Pongal cheese balls. The entire video is shot using the Zenfone 6. So the ingredients required for this recipe would be Pongal. I've already posted the recipe for Ven Pongal. I'm using the Ven Pongal recipe. I've taken 1 cup of Ven Pongal. If there is too many peppercorns, you can remove that peppercorns out of the pongal. We also need cheese cubes, which I've cut into small pieces, and we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, which is maida. I've taken 4 bread slices, added it to a mixer jar and ground it into a powder format, and we need the breadcrumbs, about 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Now all that I've done is I've taken the maida, added a little bit of water to it and created a semi-thick sort of a batter. Make sure there are no lumps in this batter. If there are too many lumps in the batter, it's not good and it's not going to fry evenly in the oil. So make sure all the lumps are there, not there. And what of this pongal, and we are going to place the cheese right in the middle and cover the cheese, the pongal. If there are too many peppercorns or any chilies in it, just remove all of that. If you like peppercorns, you can leave a few peppercorns here and there, but we try to remove maximum peppercorns out of the pongal. And now all that we have done is, once we finish coating the cheese with pongal, we have dipped it in the all-purpose flour mixture batter, and then we are going to coat it with the breadcrumbs. The only mistake I did in this recipe was I did only single coating of the breadcrumbs and the batter. Try to do a double coating of the breading, because once we are frying, the breading starts to break and the cheese tends to ooze out. So make sure you do a double coating, and you also place this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. At this point your coating will be set and it will be easy for you to fry. So do as I say. And over here I have prepared all the cheese balls. I did only 1 coating of it and I have not set it in the refrigerator. Now I've gone ahead and heated oil on medium flame, and I'm just going to gently drop this prepared cheese balls into the hot oil and start frying them out. It's very simple recipe. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe for more such videos and reviews. I have posted a detailed review on my blog on Zenfone 6. You can visit my blog for the Zenfone 6, and I have also created a video on Zenfone 6. I'll post all the links in the about bar below this video. Very gently keep turning this until it turns like golden brown in color. Once it turns like golden brown in color, just drain all the excess oil out and place it on the tissue paper. And you can go ahead and serve it with some chutney. It's an absolutely yummy tea time snack or a coffee time snack. It is wonderful. Do give this recipe a try and do subscribe for more such videos. I'll post all the links to my blog and the reviews in the about bar below this video. Once I finish frying these cheese balls, I've gone ahead and served it with chutney and tea. We totally enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe. Until then, thanks for watching, friends. Bye bye.